Hello and welcome to my Windows 10 and 11 shortcut series. What do you think I have on the screen? This represents a locked computer. Okay, I think it is a best practice to lock your computer. Let's assume you are working on something and you have many people around, maybe some other students, but you want to go and ease yourself, and equally you don't want anybody to gain access to your system. What you can do is to lock your computer, as you can see here, which means you already have a user account that requires you to input your password in order to gain any authorized access. So the best practice is this: lock your computer. Don't shut it down, because if you shut it down, that means it will take time to restart, or it will take time to start. So the best thing is to lock your computer. Whenever you are back, you input your password and you are good to go. So anytime you don't want to shut down your computer, in the same time you don't want any unauthorized access to it. For example, you are going somewhere for a while to come back and keep on working on what you were doing. So the best thing is to lock it this way. In this video, I will show you a simple shortcut to lock your computer. Without wasting much of your time, let me go activate my on-screen keyboard in order to demonstrate this. Or by holding down the control key on my keyboard, then the Windows logo key, and then the letter O, that will activate my on-screen keyboard. Here we go. Here is my on-screen keyboard. So in order to lock your computer, the best way to do this is by making use of two keys on your keyboard. The first key is the Windows logo key. The Windows logo key, and then just press down the Windows logo key and then go for letter L. Press down the letter L. But I'm not gonna do I'm not gonna do that because I'm making use of this computer, so there is no way I can do that right now. But whenever you wanna lock your computer, the best way to do that is to press down the Windows logo key together with the letter L, and that is it. That will take you to this type of screen. And that is it for this video. If you think that this video is of good help, kindly give the video a thumbs up. If you want to see more from this channel, subscribe to the channel. Then beside the subscription button, you will see a notification bell. Click on that and click on all, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified to come check it out. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.